Samsung has just announced its latest flagship-class smartphone for the year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. This trio of phones includes the compact Samsung Galaxy S24, the larger Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and the fully loaded Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. These phones are designed to compete with the latest iPhone and Pixel models while showcasing Samsung's innovations in Galaxy AI. All three models come loaded with Galaxy AI features and offer a range of colors to choose from. While the S24 Plus has received significant upgrades over its predecessor, the standard S24 also boasts several improvements. It features a larger display with slimmer bezels and improved brightness, a new chipset, a reworked design that's more durable, and more. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with some important design upgrades that you must know about. Firstly, it uses a titanium frame instead of aluminum, providing better protection against drops and scratches. Secondly, the display has 42% slimmer bezels and an 11% slimmer camera. This results in a more durable design that is almost the same weight as the S23 Ultra. The narrower bezels make the phone narrower and slightly easier to operate with one hand than the S23 Ultra. Moreover, it is slightly slimmer, measuring 6.40 by 3.11 by 0.34 inches compared to 6.4 by 3.0 by 0.35 inches. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. The violet option is my favorite, but yellow is also vibrant without being too flashy. Samsung has made some significant upgrades to its Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone. In response to user feedback, the company has flattened the display, making it less slippery in the hand and more suitable for the S Pen. The panel is also brighter than its predecessor, with a rated brightness of 2600 nits. The phone offers a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz, but it would have been nice to see a jump to 144 Hz for smoother gameplay. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a range of AI-powered features, including Circle to Search, which allows users to look up information on any image or video on their screen. The phone's cameras have also been upgraded, with a main 200MP camera with larger pixels and improved optical image stabilization. The dedicated 10MP 3x telephoto lens remains, but the 10MP 10x optical zoom has been replaced with a 50MP 5x zoom, which has drawn some criticism. Overall, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs some impressive features and upgrades, making it a worthy contender in the smartphone market. In terms of AI-powered photo editing features, there are 2 main ways to tweak your shots. One way is by pressing the info button, which generates suggested fixes for your picture by analyzing the image. For instance, you can easily remove a person's reflection in a window, and the S24 Ultra camera will fill in the background. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which enables faster CPU and GPU performance, along with improved ray tracing for enhanced gameplay visuals. Additionally, the NPU on board should speed up AI-related tasks while helping the S24 Ultra last longer on a charger. This chip is supported by 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage to start. The Galaxy S23 Ultra had 8GB of RAM in the entry-level model, so it's nice to see an upgrade here. For better sustained performance, Samsung is touting an improved cooling system for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with a 92% increase in surface area. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 5000 mAh battery, just like the S23 Ultra, so we may not see a big leap in endurance. However, the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip could help the S24 Ultra last longer on our web surfing battery test. The S23 Ultra lasted 12 hours and 22 minutes in adaptive mode for the display and 1309 in 60Hz mode, which is good enough to make our list of best phone battery life. The iPhone 15 Pro Max endured for an even longer 1402, so Samsung could certainly catch up to Apple. Stay tuned for our test results. Samsung has released its latest smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which boasts impressive specifications. The phone comes with a price tag of $1,299 and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. It has a RAM of 12GB and is available in 3 storage options: 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. The phone features a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display that has a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. The rear camera setup includes a whopping 200 MP primary camera with an f/1.7 aperture, a 50 MP 5x telephoto camera with an f/3.4 aperture, a 10 MP 3x telephoto camera with an f/2.4 aperture, and a 12 MP ultrawide camera with an f/2.2 aperture. The front camera, on the other hand, is a 12 MP shooter with an f/2.2 aperture. The phone is available in 4 colors: titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. It is powered by a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W charging. The phone measures 6.40 by 3.11 by 0.34 inches and weighs 8.22 ounces. Overall, the Galaxy S24 appears to be an iterative step over its predecessor, at least on paper. But a few design tweaks and, more importantly, a big dose of practical AI features could make for an impressive phone. It may not have the glitz and glamour of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the standard Galaxy S24 is keenly priced and well-equipped, meaning it may just be a viable contender for a spot on our best phones list. There you have it, the absolute Galaxy S24 Ultra. If this video resonates with you, don't hesitate to hit the thumbs up button. If you have a burning question, an idea for our next review, or just want to chat, drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. And if you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Legit Advisor tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and catch you on the flip side. Peace out.